Shri Rama Sharanam Mama Manas Manthan Kinkar Chintan Discourses by Maharaj Shri Ram Kinkarji Upadhyay. Message 8. Title: Liberation of Ravan by Shri Ram. Maharaj Shri Ram Kinkarji describes how in Shri Ram's divine personality and capability there is no place for animosity for anyone. In Ravan's case of being infected with extreme ego, Shri Ram sends two messengers to Lanka, Shri Hanumanji and Angadji. Maharaj Shri explains as to why Hanumanji was chosen to do this job. The answer is that Shri Hanumanji himself is an avatar of Shankarji. And secondly, Shri Ramji wanted to gauge what kind of people are in Lanka. Are they sick people with mental disorders, just like needing a doctor? Or are they devils? Who can be a better judge than Hanumanji? As what a wonderful choice Sri Ram makes. Although most people having mental disorders won't even realize that they are infected or if they are needed to get help from a Sadguru Rupi doctor. If someone has physical ailments, must seek a doctor's help. And similarly, if to be treated for mental disorder, a role of Sadguru is critical for treatment. But then, what is the catch here? Maharaj Shri answers that even to doctors, some of us may go to get ourselves praised. We want our qualities to be recognized. Even to Guru Rupi doctors, the disciples may go to discuss their strengths and not necessarily to get rid of their weaknesses. Maharaj Shri gives an example as suppose we go to a doctor and he starts talking about how pretty your nose is or how your eyes look like lotus. We might wonder what's wrong with him, as we are in pain and suffering at that moment and this doctor is talking about our looks. Expectation would be that he should be saying, you take this medication, stay away from certain foods, or suggest a remedy for the disorder to get better. The role of a Sadguru is exactly the same. When we get a Guru in life, he should be able to treat us with suggesting our weaknesses rather than describing how good we are. Now the issue with Ravan is very much the same. Even having a Sadguru Rupi Shankarji, he sees no value in getting treatment from him. Shri Shankarji is not only a Guru, but a Sadguru of entire universe. He is the Sadguru of all three lokas. Tum Tribhuvan Guru Bed Bakhana. Unfortunately, Ravan makes no use of his Shankar Rupi Sadguru. Why then does Sri Ram send Hanumanji? Is he the reincarnation of Sri Shankarji himself? Realizing this fact, Hanumanji was asked to go and perform a check on Ravan to evaluate him. If he finds he is sick, then can be treated, and if not, then an alternative treatment can be decided after troubleshooting. Sri Hanumanji was sent by Sri Ram to Lanka to gauge the status of Shivji's disciple. Was not even welcomed respectfully, but on the contrary was ill-treated. He was tied up, made fun, and probably the worst ever treatment of a messenger was given in history. Thus the reason Sushen Ved was always extra cautious. Since there was no utility of doctors in town, they remained symbolic of just decor items. It's ironic that how Sushen Ved was used as a doctor only for Lakshmanji. Otherwise in Lanka, there was no need or any value for him. Similarly, be it a doctor or even a Sadguru, Ravan found no use other than to feed his own ego through them. When Hanumanji was brought to Ravan, being tied down, In humiliation, not even a seat was offered for him to sit down. On the contrary, Ravan positioned himself at much higher sitting position. Forget about welcoming Hanumanji, he was being mocked about with much humiliation. Besides tolerating this insult, Hanumanji was totally in contrast and composed. Humbly, Hanumanji gave Ravan his diagnosis, prognosis, and remedy all in only 2 lines. Regarding the mental disorders, it is said the only doctor is Sadguru. To keep faith in his teachings is the best usage of Sadguru. What can be the diet to follow for Moharupi or attachment disorder? Goswamiji gives the answer: to have detachments from all luxuries of life, and the medicine would be have abiding devotion towards God. The right dosage of the effective medicine would be symbolic of genuine devotion. If someone wants to be treated for their mental health, the only treatment is have intake of devotion rupee medicine, take with feelings of total surrender to God, yet giving up on bodily attractions, and finally detachments from all attractions of world, will prepare us to receive grace from Guru Rupi Doctor to be completely cured. Sadguru Vaid Bachan Biswasa Sanjam Ye Na Bisay Ke Asa Raghupati Bhagati Sanjeevani Muri Anupan Shraddha Mati Puri Ehi Vidhi Bhalai So Rog Na Sahi Nahi Te Jaan Koti Nahi Jahi. If in one sentence Hanumanji gave Ravan a treatment for his ailment of attachments rupee moh to do bhajan. Moh mool bhavsool prat tyagam tum abhiman bhajam Ram Raghunayak kripa sindhu bhagwan. In conclusion, Maharaj Shri says that Hanumanji emphasized to Ravan to do bhajan, which translates to repetitive listening, chanting, and worshipping of Sri Ram as the only solution for his mental issues. See you later with another message. Jai Siya Ram.